seahorse.
What's it doing? Unbelievable.
後生嗰隻都知你細支持，就係咁噶啦。小島未為事。
呢頭馬大細，你話點啊點啊？This could be a mistake. I'll be your slave, anything, okay?
He has a gun!
What are we even fighting about?
The alley again. Take it from me, you will never be happy with a criminal.
Just a click away.
On this one, Wei.
Hey, Wei, I work for Trent at the chop shop. We noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh, yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry, we'll give you a good deal. Sun On Yee never pay full price.
Hello?
Hello, Mr. Shan. Your vehicles are all good to go. Give me a call if you need something.
Take my hand from transgressions greater than I'm so ashamed. I can't take the pressure. I'm on the blame.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much too fast. The last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle has a chop shop around the corner. Call it a pre-stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah?
What do you think it's you, May?
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? You ever think of finding somebody?
A relationship. Wouldn't really work.
Oh, shit! Sure it could. Look at me.
You're one of a kind, Jackie. What's all the crap in the back?
The haul from my last score, baby.
Haul? What haul?
Tires, CRT monitors, a whole bunch of stuff. Who's put on his mask? Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
好嘢大大聲，要腦心驚，偏偏收埋晒啲契弟做靚。我心靚，當日個麥你收聲老餅，想報福生你報足生日我請。
Dungeon running.
We're not there. What do you...
喂，咪撚沙牛攤啊！喂，爽啲啊，爽啲啊，快走啊！
Come and get me!
俾乜你死蠢！
There's more of them! Watch should be in the warehouse, man. Shit, they're taking off the goods! Go, 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 man! Don't let him get away, man! Hit him, man!
I thought you said this was gonna be easy.
Real man, give away! Damn, take out his car! Shit! We did it, man! We did it! Hang on, I'll go get the watches.
Let's go, Jackie. Hurry it up.
Wait! We got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit! We did it! Check it out! It's Brady Cambria!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, the cops drive! Wait, drive! Where'd they come from?
I think that's it.
Yeah, they're gone. Clear, man. No wonder there's so many criminals in this town. These cops suck!
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Don't worry. Take it from here.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So, Nola.
Alright, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here. Take this watch. You earned it.
Right, finally hit the big time. What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me off the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him. I'm so tired, I started having hallucinations today.
I rather not talk about it. I have this weird rash. There's a lot of stabbing and gunshot victims lately.
Let's see some ID.
Here you go.
Yeah. Get out of here.
Shit, look out! Watch out!
Control, roger that.
I'm on to the break. 食緊面啊！Anyone up for a quick fire arrest? Copy.
Get down on the ground, now! Stop running! There's nowhere to go! I say stop! There's nowhere to run! Don't make me chase you! You've got nowhere to run!
Your eyes too small?
You're surrounded!
你做咩啊？
No, you... Stop running!
Gun down! Head behind your head, now!
I think about going easy on you. Stop running! There's nowhere to go! Police! Stop! Run! 唔好跑! Big trouble!
You're done! Give...
Surrender!
Stop running!
To hide.
You're under arrest!
Stop! There's nowhere to run!
You've got nowhere to run!
Don't make me chase you!
Put the weapon on the ground! No use in running!
Give it up! You have no chance!
Right now! You've got nowhere to
He's
run!
running your way!
My man Wayne! You done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on ye. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Gas is fine by me. I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass.
Who are you? Get over here!
Wait, hold on, gun. How come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be voting 18K?
Dog guy came after us? This is payback. Plain and simple.
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile Lee? What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for you, but Winston answers
Whoa!
Nobody going to fuck with the champ.
In the game, wild in the race, and the city skyline is placed in my
Hey, you haven't paid. You can stop, we'll beat you.
This is our stop now.
all types of cats, all types of dogs, all types of girls, all types of Backstreet One, Hong Kong.
Alright, you good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. Remind me of him. A lot. Turned out it was a cop. That's why he couldn't kill anyone. See? So now we know how to spot a rat.
Tough. You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right? When Tong is done with them, he buries them alive. 6 feet under. Nobody coming for you.
Fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll do it. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Wait, you better get them.
You want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Are you stoned? I already paid, Dog Eyes.
Belongs to Winston now.
Winston? I don't know no Winston.
Pull over, I'll tell you about it.
Wasting my time.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my rope before you finish picking your nose.
Get out of here, I'm taking your passenger.
Okay.
那你不把身